Okay, all right. Today we will be doing angles. Okay, solving angles involving shapes like triangles and four-sided figures like quadrilaterals, trapeziums. Okay, all right. Ah, okay. Oh, all right. So let's get on first, huh? Number one. Okay, today we have quite a fair bit of things to do, so yeah. In the figure, we can see that there is a rectangle. Okay, so rectangle will give you all the right angle, right? Okay, and PEQ, where is PEQ? PEQ is a straight line. QFR is also a straight line, yes. This is angle 64 degree, all right. And QFE, where is QFE, is 56 degree. Find PES, that means this is the one that they are asking for. Okay, you know that you see a rectangular, but then this is a straight line, right? For this straight line, you can do something about the third angle. You can find out what is this first. Okay, after finding out already, right, you can find this angle already, right? So it's basically step one is finding this, and then step two, finding this. So far, okay? All right. Let's check whether you get the correct answer or not. Let's do this. Okay, first question, step. Do you have 34? Okay, so I'm going to erase whatever found. Step 1, 34. Do you get that? Because this 180 is based on this triangle. Okay, and 90, this is 56. Here is 34. This is the third angle. Okay, so this reason is because angle sum of triangle. The angle sum of triangle adds up to be 180 degree. So that's why part total what? So you have 34, 56. Use that to minus. Okay, all right. Then let's take a look at the second one. Do you find 82 for step 2? That's what I written here. Okay, so I have this angle as 180 degree for the whole straight line here. You see, this is my straight line, right? So this is called angles on the straight line. Then this adds up to be 180 degrees. So I minus 34, I minus 64, and I shall get down to 82 for this answer. Okay, all right. Let's check. Serena is in, okay. Hi, Serena. All right, Serena, you can turn on your camera. Okay, who else is not here yet? Almost. Okay. Yanxi, you try to turn on one of the camera lah. Oh, at least I can see. Okay, so going to next. Let's take a look at question number 2. This is a straight line for PQR here. Okay, so I draw a straight line. Okay, and then this is a straight line. PSQ is equals to, so this one is the angle PSQ here. Okay, PSQ is here. And QRS is here. So both angles must be equal. All right, so we know that this is a triangle. We can find the third angle here using this. Let's take a look. How to find this third angle? Nabil, will you be able to help me to find this third angle first? Nabil, are you there?
180
Yeah.
minus 70
Yeah.
minus 39.
Good. And that reason is being angles in a triangle sum up to be 180. Thank you so much. Your response is good, clear, and sharp. Okay, then that is for step 1. Okay, for step 2, let's check who can help me with step 2. Okay, wait. Step 2, shall I ask for Serena? Sabrina, can you help me with the right angle here? How can I find my right angle? Because he told you that PSQ is equals to QSR and they are equal. So with whatever found there, 180, as Nabil say, 180 minus 39 minus 70, and that gives me 71. Okay, so 71 is both angles for purple. So Serena, can you help me with that? Since they are equal, what can you do?
71 divided by 2.
Very good. 71 divided by 2, and I get each angle 35.5, 35.5. Very good. So now I'm asking to look for this angle, which now I want to focus. Okay, let me see what I can focus. Can I focus on this triangle? Okay, if I were to do this, okay, I focus on this yellow triangle. Okay, how can I find the third angle here? Jaden, can you help me with this, Jaden? How to find this third angle now? Okay, okay, all right. 180 minus 39, very good, minus 35.5. Very good, thank you, Jaden. Okay, all right, so that gave you the third angle. So in total, we have how many steps? We find first, thank you. Okay, so first we find the angle there. Divide by 2 is the second step, and find the third one, right? Okay, yes. Degree, must put a degree. Yeah, thank you, Jaden. Okay, so next, let's take a look at the step. Yeah, okay. Yeah, thank you, Jaden. Now, the first step, I find my purple 71 earlier on, right? Because sum of angles in the triangle adds up to be 180 degrees. Now, the second thing is I break it into two parts, whereby I get my 35.5 for each of the angles because they were the same. So having done that, I did the last step, finding 180 to minus the two angles to get 105.5. Okay. All right. Can Okay, next question. All right. Tommy, are you there? Can you help me to read all this? Tommy, can you help me?
Square
Mm,
SBC is equals to PV.
mm, mm,
Find QP.
very good. So you see, he tell you that these sides are equal, right? Because it's a square, right? Don't have to say. So QPV, where is Q? P and V is this one. So first thing first, you must know the properties of the square. The properties of the square is they have 4 right angle from here to here. You see. So then after that, what can you do first? This is 90. You'll be able to find this angle, right? Then after that, what is next? PQ, he tell you PQ is also equals to PV. Okay, so PQ is also equals to PV. So this one is an isosceles triangle, right? So having done that, what I can suggest is do this. This is yes, that's what I want to say, because they are equal. So these two must be equal, and you are able to find the third angle here. Okay, so let me erase all these. Then after that, we look at the steps. Okay. Step 1, we say we find the angle there, the corner angle. Okay. All right. Then after that, this one is 67. Okay. For 67, you must put the other base angle. Where's the other angle base? 67, because of the isosceles. Okay. Then after that, you can find the third angle, that is 46. Okay. So far so good, Okay, let me check here. Can? All right. Well, who is next now? So far, okay. Are you following? Good. Yancy say yes. Jaden, all okay, ah? Serena, okay, huh? Good. I see you nodding your head. Tommy? Wow, wow, wow. Okay, Nabil also okay. All right, let's take a look at the next question here. Okay, where are we? In the figure, ABC is a straight line, and BP is also a straight line. ACP is 57, okay, and find angle ANP, which is this one. Oh, okay. All right. How can we do this? Let's ask for Yancy. Can you help me with one suggestion first? Start.
You can find angle
Mm.
PBC first.
Okay, PBC first. Good. After finding this, I can put it on top, is it? Okay, very good. Let's ask for Siti. Siti is actually Nabil, is it? Nabil, you change your name already. Good. Nabil, your turn. How to find the third angle there?
180 minus 90 minus 57.
Good. That will be for B lah, correct?
Yeah.
Then after that, the second step, we can actually do a vertical opposite angle here, right?
Yeah, and then wait, how much is
33 maybe?
Yeah, okay. And then 180 minus 72 minus 33.
Very good. Thank you so much. Okay, so let's take a look here. You see? So what you have here is 33 degree for this corner here. Because of the sum of angles in the triangle adds up to be 180 degrees. And then the second thing is you have vertically opposite angle. As long as you see a cross, okay, the cross, then the corner of this cross must be the same. That will give you 33 degree. Okay, then next step is 75 because 180 minus 72 minus 33, that gives you 75. Okay, all right. Everyone following? Okay, next question. Now this is a square. PQ, where's my PQ? Okay, PQ, QR. Of course, they are the same length because they are the sides of the square. Oh, this is 78. Find QRK, which is here. QRK. All right. So since this and this the same, who should I ask for? Let's take a look at Denver. Denver. Denver, are you there? Because I didn't see you. Eh? I thought just now I saw Denver. Then okay. Oh, Denver is actually Jaden, right? Then it's actually Jaden. Okay. Then I asked already. Who should I ask? Yancy, you want to try now? Later will be Serena's turn already. Yancy, can you help me with this? What can you suggest?
You can find the angle KQP first.
KQP. Very good. How?
You take 180 minus 78 minus 78.
Very good. This is also 78 due to the reason being the isosceles triangle. Thank you. Serena, how about the last step here?